Start building a stream of monthly income now. We show how it is possible to make up to $26,000 per month working part-time. Let me introduce you to our company called Wealth Step by Step. This is a worldwide business opportunity based in West Valley, Utah. The membership is just $28 per month. For your $28 monthly membership, you get a digital e-library with a wealth of information on health, mindset, business building, and wealth building. Just a few examples of what you will enjoy: smart money habits, morning ritual mastery, decision-making formula, 365 days of dominance, the invincible mindset, the art of simplicity, anti-aging hacks, and breaking bad habits. You also get a discount shopping portal. Find savings by category, location, and special offers. Find whatever you need and get big discounts. Save on travel, entertainment, appliances, automotive, food delivery, cruises, and much more. Lastly, there are marketing tools for you to use to build your business. Do you think that all this at just $28 is a great deal? In our opinion, a huge yes. For just $28 plus tax per month, you get all that plus an amazing community and list of resources. It will be $28 well spent. Then you can earn by sharing this valuable membership with others. We show you how. You can even use this video you are watching. Nothing is better than residual income. Our super powerful compensation plan is one of the best in the industry. It is a 3x8 forced matrix structure. You will receive $25 fast start bonuses for all of your personal referrals. You will get $10 per person for level 1. So, once you have 3 members on this level, no matter who referred them, your cost is covered. Everything you earn on the rest of the levels is profit. You will receive $2 per person on levels 2 through 7 and $3 per person for level 8. No matter who referred them, and even if you have not referred anyone. Your total residual monthly income potential is over $26,000. There are no sponsoring requirements to be paid, but we show everyone very simple ways to get referrals in order to earn the fast start bonuses, and so the team grows faster. The fact is that everyone loves sharing a good thing. Also, there are no rank requirements to be qualified to earn the maximum amount, making this the perfect starter business as well as a great add-on for those already in network marketing who like to build multiple income streams. This is worth repeating. You earn $25 bonuses for personal referrals, plus monthly residual income from 8 levels deep, and most of these members will be people you didn't even personally introduce to the company. With no sponsoring or rank requirements to get paid, no admin fees, no payment processing fees, no minimum earnings amount to meet, and no sales quotas to meet, your potential monthly income can reach impressive heights without any stress, pressure, or hoops to jump through. Our team shows you exactly how to effectively share this with others. If you're tired of trading hours for dollars, this could be your low-cost solution. Be sure to connect with the member who shared this video with you. And right now, go ahead and secure the next highest position on your sponsor's team. Do not delay. Your next step is to lock in your position right now. Become part of our great team. Click the sign up button, join, and then look out for your welcome email.